Good evening traders, and welcome to RD Trading. It's currently Friday the 7th of February 2020, and the markets are probably an hour away from closing for the weekend, but I just wanted to bring you back up to date with this Aussie dollar paper trade, which we've taken really as a way for us to ease our way back into the markets, make sure we're tight on playing our rules. I'm not going to go into the trade in too much detail right now, but I'm just really wanted to show you the next move that I'm making with regards to this particular trade. So if you remember, we paper traded from back up here 31st of December, New Year's Eve. Okay, trade came down, we took some profits, went back up, nearly took us out, came down, nearly hit our exit, came back up, and we are looking at this. We've been looking at this play. Now, what I did, if you remember in my last email, what I looked at was this last leg back up, because guys, this is a video about sticking to your game plan. Okay, now this trade has been going a long time, and okay, there's no money in it, but this is the same process I go through when I'm trading real money in the markets. And I've decided in 2020 sticking to my plan is what I'm going to do. Okay, so if you remember, we were looking at this leg, and we were questioning whether none of this down move had taken place here. We were questioning whether this up leg was a correction of this move here and was going to continue the down leg, the down move, or whether it was the beginning of a new uptrend. And guys, it may still be the beginning of an uptrend, but once I put back on my studies, I want to let you know where I'm going with this trade. So at this point here, if you remember, let's go down to the 4-hour chart. Let's fatten that up a bit. At this red arrow, guys, I sold this market again. I sold another contract into this market, okay, on the basis that I still felt that we were going to be heading back down. And lo and behold, it looks that is what's happening. Again, we could, we've reached a level of support here, and some people may say, well, you know what, this could be a head and shoulders right about here now. If you see what I'm thinking, down, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, potentially this move could go up. However, trading is about possibilities, okay? You're trading probabilities, sorry, not possibilities. Well, there's a lot of possibility, but we're trading probabilities here. And what I was looking at as I went down to the 1-hour chart, is that we had a 5-wave movement up into daily structure. And at this very level here, if you remember, guys, again, let me just go back up the chart again. At this very level here, I mentioned that there was a 50% retracement of this swing right at this level. The market has since sold off, okay, which is great. This bar here is the risk that I had in the market. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the risk out of the market. Okay, ignore the pound value there. This is not what this is about. This is about the process. Okay, we've moved our stop down from the initial trade. Okay, so this is where we entered. This is where our stop now is. Okay, and we're now going to bring the stop down on the other position down. The position we entered here down also to break even. So let's do that now. Let's go in and do that now. So here we are, stop loss down just under break even, a little bit more maybe. There you go, minus 3.6. We're now, and there you go, order has been entered. Again, we're now in a no lose trade. So the next step is let's see if we can't get this market to go down and take out our final profit. Guys, have a lovely weekend. I look forward to seeing you all next week when we do the review. Have a great weekend now.